there, pretty little bakers. Kelly here, and today we are talking sports. Sports is a year-round thing. Whether we're talking basketball, football, baseball, or my personal favorite, hockey, let's go Sharks! There are many reasons to cheer. Parties are constantly being thrown for sports events, like Super Bowl parties, pre-game parties, tailgate parties, and let's be honest, nobody wants to show up empty-handed. So might as well bring sports-themed desserts to a party. Today, we're making sports-themed chocolate-dipped Oreos. These desserts are super easy, extremely tasty, and there's very little cleanup. So it's time to get on your feet because today we're making football, baseball, and basketball themed Oreos. To make these sports themed Oreos, you'll need Oreos. You can use any type of Oreo. I'm using double stuff Oreos simply because double stuff is my favorite. You'll need some candy melts. I'm using milk chocolate candy melts for the footballs. I'm using white chocolate candy melts for the baseballs. Then I'll add some orange food coloring to the white candy melts to really make it look like a basketball. Now in terms of getting your candy melts, you can buy them at your local craft store, you can buy them at your grocery store, even online. I've bought mine on Amazon several times in the past. And if you have any questions, just shoot me a comment down below. We'll be able to figure something out for you. And the last thing you'll need is an Oreo mold. This one is silicone. Again, I bought this one on Amazon. You can buy it at your local craft store, but they also have plastic ones as well. I just like using silicone because they're easier to pop out. All right, we ready to get started? First things first, we're gonna start with our candy melts. Pop them into the microwave. Microwave them in 30-second increments at half power until fully melted. Oh my gosh, I love this consistency. Now that our chocolate is fully melted, spoon about 2 tablespoons into the center of each mold. And now we'll add an Oreo in the center, gently push down. Now we can't leave the Oreo just like this, we have to cover it. So we'll add a few more tablespoons of chocolate directly on top of the Oreo. And we want the chocolate to be pretty level with the mold. Oh my gosh, these footballs are gonna look so stinking cute. I love the fact that this is a no-bake dessert. It's super simple. The football Oreos, the baseball Oreos, those are done and ready to go. Now it's time to start on our basketballs. I have orange food coloring here. This is what we're gonna use to make the deep orange color of the basketball. A few drops should do the trick, but we're really looking for that strong orange color. Oh yeah. Once you have the color of orange that you're happy with, we'll do the exact same thing we've done before. 2 tablespoons to fill each cavity. Drop an Oreo directly in the center and another tablespoon on top. And that's it. Can you believe how stinking easy that was? Of course we still have to decorate, but we'll throw these bad boys in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure that chocolate really solidifies. And in the meantime, we can start prepping our decoration chocolate. At this point, we're gonna stick to working with white chocolate only. I have 3 different cups of white chocolate. One will be used strictly for the footballs. The second one, we're gonna add some red food coloring to act as the laces on the baseball. And for the third one, we're gonna use black food coloring so we can make the outline of the basketball. We have our white chocolate, our red chocolate, and our black chocolate. Last thing we gotta do is transfer our chocolate into bags. I'm simply using Ziploc bags. Easy peasy, I'm sure you already have them in your kitchen. We'll fill the bag, cut a little tiny hole at the bottom, and then we get to start piping our decorations onto our Oreos. The Oreos have solidified, my friends. Chocolate is hardened. We can finally pop these out of the cavities and we can start decorating. And just like that, we scored a home run with these Oreos. And now that we got this under our belt, we can take it a step further and start decorating Oreos like our favorite team colors. I don't know, I'm thinking maybe some blue and yellow coming up soon. Thank you all for watching this Pretty Little Bakers video. For more video tutorials and recipes, head over to prettylittlebakers.com. And don't forget to follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'll see you all next time.